It's summer now, so in most European countries, unfortunately not in the UK, it's going to be pretty warm. And we all know that we need to use sunscreen in order to protect us from the light of the sun. Sunlight is electromagnetic radiation or energy which is emitted by the sun, and it's composed of three different parts. We have the visible light, which we can easily see, we have the UV light, and we have infrared light. On the electromagnetic spectrum, UV light has a shorter wavelength than the visible light, so it means that you can't see. And two types of this UV light are known to contribute towards our risk of skin cancer. The first is UVA, which is associated with aging, and the second is UVB, which is associated with your skin burning. We have UVA, which is between 320 to 400 nanometers in wavelengths. This contributes for around 95% of the light, so a very significant part that reaches the Earth's atmosphere. This UVA penetrates the deepest into our skin and causes indirect DNA damage, which can lead to skin cancer. On the other hand, we also have UVB, which is the other 5% that reaches the Earth's atmosphere, which is in the wavelength 290 to 320 nanometers. And this causes direct DNA damage, which is why it's heavily implicated in skin cancer. Well, there's two very distinct types of sunscreen that you can use. The first is a physical type of sunscreen, and the second one is a chemical type of sunscreen. However, you can see that in a lot of cases you can also combine the two in order to get the maximum effect. Sunscreens contain materials, mainly titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which gives it that very distinct white color, which essentially makes sure that our skin acts as a mirror. So what it does, it actually reflects the UV rays from your skin. On the other hand, there are also the chemical blockers, and this again can be a range of compounds, and what they actually do is they absorb the UV light, so it works in a very different way. The physical sunblockers are less irritating for sensitive skin, and nowadays there are different formulas out there which don't give it that very defined white color. However, the chemical blockers have advantages, for instance, if you would be swimming a lot because they don't come off so easily, and if you sweat a lot, that might be a better option for you to use. So now let's have a look at what the sun protection factor, or what SPF, means. Well, let's imagine that if you wear no sunscreen. In that case, 100% of the UV light that you're exposed to will enter your skin. If you wear SPF 15 though, it means that 93% of it is blocked out by your sunscreen. So only 7% will actually enter your skin. If you will go towards SPF 30, you will see that 97% will be blocked out by your sunscreen, and only around 3% will enter your skin. So you see there's a very significant difference there. You can even go higher, or SPF 50, which means that around 98% of the radiation is blocked by your sunscreen. So the SPF rating only relates to UVB rays, and what we've seen before, that UVA can equally so be harmful to your skin. So going higher in SPF might only give you a false sense of protection. So the real recommendation here is to make sure that even though you might not like it, you have to reapply your sunscreen quite a lot. So hopefully this has given you a little insight into why sunscreen is so important. So please enjoy your holidays, and do have a look at our playlist if you want to know more about the science of other everyday things. Thanks for watching.